Have you ever wondered what type of chemical bonds there are? Probably not, but we are here to help nonetheless. There are different kinds of chemical bonds when it comes to atoms: covalent, ionic, and metallic. We will not be talking about metallic. What even is a chemical bond in the first place, you may ask? Chemical bonds are when two atoms bond together to make them both happy atoms.
The first bond that we will talk about is an ionic bond.
An ionic bond is a bond between two neutral atoms that gives away or takes electrons till both of the atoms are happy.
How does an atom become happy?
An atom becomes happy by having a valence electron number of 8. 8 means that the last shell is full of valence electrons.
But the atom that gives electrons becomes positive because if there are more protons than electrons, the number is positive. The atom that takes more electrons will become negative because there are more electrons than protons.
Both atoms will start out neutral but then turn positive and negative.
An ionic bond forms between two nonmetals or a nonmetal and a metal. Now, let's talk about covalent bonds.
A covalent bond is a bond between two atoms that share electrons. The atoms will share electrons until they are happy.
An example of this is H2O. The oxygen atom needs two hydrogen atoms to be happy. A covalent bond forms between two nonmetals.
When the atoms are happy, they have a shell full of valence electrons. The valence electrons are related to both bonds in different ways.
Every atom has a specific amount of valence electrons. In an ionic bond, an atom with one valence electron will give that electron to an atom with 7 valence electrons. They are then both happy atoms. In a covalent bond, if one atom has 8 valence electrons and the other has 7, they will share the 8th between the two atoms.
The two bonds have different types of atoms as well. An ionic bond consists of two neutral atoms at first. Then one will turn positive and the other will turn negative. They are not attracted to each other at first.
In a covalent bond, it has a positively charged atom and a negatively charged atom. They bond together to create two neutrally charged atoms.
That's how chemical bonds work.